first installed in 1990. She was installed in between our two hourly parking decks that we ultimately ended up taking down and replacing with the new 7,000 space parking deck that's in front of the terminal today. When we did that, we moved her temporarily in between the two daily parking decks, and she stayed there for a few years until recently we had her removed to be taken to a facility to have some minor repair work done for her and repatina her before she got placed into the terminal lobby. We had to plan out the process of how we did that because we're trying to move her now into and through the Oculus skylight at the top of the terminal lobby expansion. And so the Oculus is plenty big enough, but the challenge for her is because of her center of gravity, we had to rig her a very specific way so that she went through the whole straight to get her inside the building. And so that's the part that probably was the most tedious aspect of it and took the most effort to plan. We always had this vision of the Queen being the centerpiece of this project. And we're early in the project still, but we're at a point where it was time to place her inside the building and prepare her for what will ultimately be her new home in her new Queen's Courtyard in the middle of the lobby when we finish it in 2025.